breaking news which is coming in. There's a bomb scare which is coming in from the Delhi High Court. High Court has received a bomb threat is what we are picking up, and this was via an email. Precautionary measures have been taken. Let me go across to Dipankar, who's joining us from outside the Delhi High Court. But before that, I believe Bhavtosh is also joining us. Our senior editor, Bhavtosh, you must tell us, I believe, even while evacuations are happening right now, what does the threat email say? Does it speak specifically about the High Court, or is this a precautionary measure?
Well, in fact, it mentions very briefly in the last line that it is about Delhi High Court. I will just quote the context of the mail. The mail was addressed to the Delhi High Court's registrar. In fact, we are outside the Delhi High Court. As you can see, there are, in fact, evacuations that are going on from the Delhi High Court. Addressed at Delhi at around 10:14 a.m. It mentions something about Tamil Nadu, and then it mentions about the fact that that there would be blast in Delhi High Court. In fact, you can see the bomb disposal teams are there. These are from the New Delhi district. Precautionary measures are being taken. In fact, it's now nearly 2 hours since this mail was received by the Registrar General's office at the Delhi High Court, and since then evacuation process is going on. This is the Delhi High Court, and remember, Meghna, there has been a blast at Delhi High Court way back in 2011, and these are in fact safety measures that are being taken by the Delhi High Court. All benches have been risen as far as Delhi High Court is concerned. Lawyers are being told to evacuate. It's a very busy area, entire Delhi High Court complex, and now it's being evacuated. You can see a large number of lawyers, as always, are there in Delhi High Court, and security measures are being followed. As we showed our viewers that the bomb disposal squad was present, as well as other units are being called in. What the mail actually said is slightly ambiguous. It mentions an IAS officer's name, it mentions about Coimbatore, and then it goes on to mention about possibility of a blast in Delhi High Court. As I told, mentioned that there was a blast outside Delhi High Court, gate number 5 in 2011. That could be possibly the reason why Delhi High Court is being evacuated. As of now, it appears to be a hoax, but proper measures are being taken as far as the capital is concerned. It has been plaguing, and it has been plagued with large number of bomb hoax calls that have been that it has been grappling since last May, when over 500 emails were received by top private schools in the capital. Back to you.
Well, absolutely. And you're right. The fact that in 2011 we saw that dastardly terror attack which had happened in the Delhi High Court, right at the gate of it, where 11 people lost their lives. This is a reminiscence of what had happened there, which is why perhaps they've been so prompt with the evacuation. Let me go across to Dipankar. He is also joined by Advocate Pooja Sareen. Dipankar, was Pooja there at the time when the evacuations happened? What's happening right now?
Well, yes, as you can see that there are evacuation proceedings that are going on. The advocates are being evacuated as of now, and there has been a traffic jam that is right in front of the gate number 4 and 5, that is on the road that connects India Gate with the Bharat Mandapam, and we are being joined by Advocate Pooja Sareen, and she will be able to tell as to what happened inside the court. Ma'am, you were there in the court when this
Absolutely. I was pretty much there in the court. I practice here regularly in the Delhi High Court. It had been very troublesome for all of us, because in Delhi High Court the proceedings had been going on as usual. Since morning all the proceeding is going on, and all of a sudden there was this spread out of the emails that there is a bomb being planted in the vicinity. We do not know it is a hoax or what it is, but there had been email, and it was all of a sudden we were asked to be vacating the premises. All the courtrooms, the judges, the staff, everybody is outside only. We're just waiting for the police help as of now.
Well, as you can see, as Advocate Pooja Sareen was also informing that there was a hoax call during the proceedings that were going on, and suddenly there was a mail that was spread out, and everyone in the vicinity of Delhi High Court was asked to evacuate. So this was Advocate Pooja Sareen who was giving the description as to what happened inside the court when the court proceedings were going on at that point of time. Over to you.
Well, thank you so much, Dipankar, for getting us those details. Bhavtosh, I'm going to come back to you. What are protocols